Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to add discounts. You're going to want to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and go to your menu icon at the top left, go to account menu, and then down here is discounts and promotions. And we're not going to go over the promotions part. That's going to be on a different video. We're just going to go over discounts today. So here I've already got some created, which we can go into those in just a minute, but I want to go ahead and show you how to create one. We're going to hit new up here. If it's your first time creating a discount, then your option to create is probably here in the middle. We're going to click new. First question we're asked is it an item level or a ticket level discount? So the differences are, like, let's say for example we're going to create a discount for senior citizens, so senior discount. So if the whole family is to dinner and grandma and grandpa want to use their senior discount, do you want to have the option to discount the whole ticket, or do you want to have the option to just discount grandma and grandpa's meal? If you want to just do grandma and grandpa's, then you would do the item discount and then just discount their individual items. Otherwise, if you're discounting the whole meal, then you want the whole ticket. Anytime you see this question mark, you can hover over that with a mouse or stylus and it'll show you the description for that field. So for this example, I'm just going to go with the item discount here. We're going to name it senior disc. Now, do you want this applied post-tax? That is up to you. Please choose whichever one fits you best. Then you can have it choose a fixed price. I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to use a percentage. And then you can have an open amount. And then now if you do the fixed price here, it's going to get rid of that open price, by the way. All right, and then the next one is show discount reason. You can have a text box appear if you want to have a reason for the discount added. You might do this one if you're doing like a meal comp type discount, or maybe mistakes like kitchen mistakes or long waits or something like that. Then you might want to have the show discount reason. If I want it to affect the modifiers, yes, I want it to affect everything, not just the base price. I want to affect everything. And then is this tippable, which basically means if you're using any tip suggestion or auto gratuities or anything, you want this to be added. You want the main total to be added in that price instead of after the discount, because if you add the discount, then the tip suggestion thing is off. So I recommend putting that there, but again, it's up to you. And then here we have the amount. So I'm just going to do 10, choose the % button there. Now there's a number of required items, which is optional. You can also tag required items, optional. And then you can also tag items as discountable items. Now, if you leave those blank, then there's no restrictions at all. I'm just going to leave those blank, and we're going to hit save. Now, if I wanted to create one for the meal that was senior discount as well, then I can duplicate. Then I can make this a ticket level 1, name it the same thing. And then do a default amount here. 10. Tippable, want it post-tax. Now you did notice that when I made it ticket level, it did change some of these settings in here. It rearranged them. But it's pretty much the same questions. Do I want a box to appear to ask for a reason? Do I want it to auto apply for any reason? And then again, these here are minimum maximum is optional. I'm just going to leave it as 0. Save. Now we have both of those in here, and we can see here that one's an item and one's a ticket. Now I'm going to go into the open item discount. I'll show you what happened here is the checkbox for open amount was checked here. Now if we remove that, that gives us back our field for the amount to be dollar or %. Basically when we choose this open amount checkbox, it gets rid of that. Because when you have this checked and it's open amount, that leaves That leaves that option up to the person at the workstation ringing it in. They can either choose an open percentage amount or an open dollar amount. So that's basically what we did there. Now let's go ahead and publish changes and take a look and see what that looks like on the workstation. Okay, so now that we're on the workstation, we'll go ahead and ring in just a Coke and a Pepsi, a couple other things here. We'll ring in a ribeye. All right, so now if I just wanted to discount this Coke, I would click on Coke, and then I have a discount button down here. So if I click on discount, then I have my open item discount, which again is just going to allow you to choose either a dollar or percent. Or we can choose the senior discount, which will automatically apply the 40 cents. Now, if I wanted to remove the discount, I can just go back down here where it said discount before and remove discount. Now, if I was discounting the whole ticket, that's in a different section. For that, you have to go to checkout, and I'll just put in a name here real quick and a phone number. Now here on adjust is actually where you discount the whole ticket. So here we have, again, an open dollar and an open percent discount, or we can do the senior discount, and that will give you the option to apply here. So we'll hit apply, and it added our senior discount here. Of course, if you wanted to remove it, you tap on the discount and click on remove discount. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.